Black pepper shrimps, guys. We got some shrimps here. Cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, cornstarch, and lemon pepper. So now we are seasoning this shrimp with some garlic powder. Okay, remember when you add in seasoning to your shrimps, shrimp sucks seasoning very quickly. Here I'm adding just a little bit of the lemon pepper because it has more salt on it. I'm adding my black pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy and only a couple of ingredients, but it's going to be super tasty, I promise you. So now we are going to prep our cornstarch flour. So make sure that you are careful when you are pouring it out, because as you can see, it could get messy. So here I'm adding a little bit of the lemon pepper, some of the garlic powder, black pepper. I like to add a lot of it. But again, you adjust the recipe and make it your own. To my cornstarch, I like to add some of the Hawaiian sea salt. It gives it like a real nice taste to your batter. A little bit of cayenne pepper. And Valerie the Beagle is looking at me. That's the family dog. And there, that was the secret ingredients. It's a dash of sugar, just a dash, but that dash of sugar goes a long way, and I promise you, it balances out all the seasoning. It's very, very, very tasty. So now, you know, you continue to braid your shrimps. I like to make sure that I shake a lot of the flour off as much as you can before adding it to the oil, because cornstarch has the tendency to come, you know, out in the oil a lot. So you want to shake it up and let it sit for a little bit before you add it to your oil. Make sure your oil is on medium high. Do not walk away when you are cooking your shrimps, because they cook very quickly. All you need is about less than a minute on each side. Okay? Usually about time you are done adding all your shrimps to the pan, one side already pretty much cooked. So this is the color you want. Look at that beautiful pink. Okay, and I'm telling you guys, this recipe is very, very tasty. My daughter loves, and my children period, to eat this while they're watching movies and stuff like that. Some people eat chips. My family likes to eat seafood and shrimp. Look at how beautiful that color is, and nice and crispy, trust me. And if you don't like, guys, the shrimp with the shell, we just like to peel it, just like, you know, you could always cook this without the shells on it. It's all preference, what you like. And I always make sure that my shrimps are deboned as well, as you could see. All right, so guys, you know, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. All right. So here I am going to continue to cook my next batch. I'm telling you, next movie night at your house, make some of these and you're going to enjoy that movie even more. I promise you, instead of the popcorn and, you know, and chips and stuff, this is what we do in my family. So these are the shrimp. I just sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top of it, but that is optional to you. And again, thank you for stopping by, guys. I appreciate each one of you and your support. So this is our final shrimps. Okay, thank you guys. Again, I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.